Hey everyone, welcome back. Every homemaker's day is fulfilled with love, care, and countless responsibilities. But sometimes routines can feel overwhelming or undervalued. The secret to feeling happier and more fulfilled as a homemaker lies not in changing what we do, but how we think about it. Here are 7 simple mindset shifts that can completely change your outlook and bring more positivity into your homemaking journey. Let's talk about the first mindset shift. See homemaking as a career, not a chore. When we start treating homemaking as a full time role with responsibility, creativity, and purpose, it changes everything. You're not just at home, you're managing operations, budgets, meals, cleanliness, and emotions all together. If you start each morning thinking, today I'm investing my time in building a happy home, you instantly feel more confident and valued. Try making small systems. Plan weekly meals, organize one corner a day, manage monthly expenses like a mini business. When you see yourself as the CEO of your home, homemaking becomes something to be proud of, not taken for granted. Let's come to the second mindset, progress over perfection. And I talk about this all the time, so pay attention. Social media shows spotless kitchens and picture perfect rooms. But real homes are lived in. They get messy, noisy, and filled with life. Instead of aiming for perfection, aim for progress. If your kitchen sink was full yesterday and today it's half done, that's progress. If you have started waking up 10 minutes earlier, it's again progress. Every small improvement counts. This shift helps you reduce guilt and increase satisfaction with what you have achieved instead of feeling tired by what's still left. Mindset number 3, shift from comparison to gratitude. It's easy to compare yourself with others. Your neighbor's spotless house, your friend's perfectly planned meals, or that influencer's organized wardrobe. But comparisons steal joy. Every home has its own rhythm, and every homemaker has her own style. Instead, focus on gratitude. Be thankful for your cozy balcony, your family meals, or the laughter echoing through your rooms. When you count what's working, you naturally attract more positivity into your day. Mindset number 4. Take homemaking as self growth. Homemaking teaches patience, problem solving, and management like no MBA can. Cooking teaches innovation, organizing teaches planning, parenting teaches emotional intelligence. When you see chores as life lessons, you start noticing how much you have grown. You're not merely wiping countertops, you're learning balance, resilience, and love in action. Remind yourself, this too is helping me grow. Mindset number 5. Ask for help without guilt. I know that's difficult, but my dear ladies, please listen. Many Indian women believe a good homemaker should do it all alone. Well, that's not true. A house runs best when everyone contributes, not when one person burns out. Delegate small tasks. Ask your partner to handle groceries or your kids to fold clothes. When duties are shared, love grows. Remember, asking for help doesn't make you weak, it makes you wise. Mindset number 6. Prioritize self care and not just home care. You're the heart of your home, but even a heart needs rest to beat strong. Don't feel guilty for taking breaks, watching a show, journaling, or meeting friends. Simple self care doesn't have to mean expensive spa days. It could be 15 quiet minutes with morning tea, a walk after dinner, or listening to music while cooking. When you care for your energy, everything around you starts to feel lighter. I would like to recommend this coconut oil to all of you. You can find its link in the description box. It's cold pressed and extra virgin, so you can add your own ingredients to make an awesome hair oil for your hair care. However, I use this just as it is to oil our hair. I also use it once in a while for my nighttime skincare when my skin feels dry. I'm transferring it to this pump bottle to avoid wastage and make it last longer. Here's the last one. Celebrate small wins daily. Homemaking doesn't have big trophies or promotions, but it has daily victories. The freshly folded laundry, the meal that your family enjoyed, or your tidy living room. Each one deserves appreciation. Create a small evening ritual. Reflect on three things that went right today. It's a powerful way to end your day on a happy note. Over time, this practice rewires your brain to look for joy even in simple moments. Homemaking isn't about perfection, it's about love, rhythm, and mindset. When you shift from pressure to purpose, every task, big or small, begins to feel meaningful. You're not just a homemaker, you're a creator of comfort, peace, and happiness. So let's start today with gratitude in your heart, a smile on your face, and the mindset that your home is your kingdom. And you are doing an amazing job ruling it with love and grace. On that note, I'll wind up. If I could impart some value to your life through this video, then please do not forget to like it. Also, feel free to drop your opinions and feedbacks in the comment section. Subscribe the channel and do share it with your loved ones. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and take care. Bye-bye.